Oh shit.
Oh, you about to go, Albert?
Like a fucking jet.
Pulled up right here with the homies. With the homie Albergazo and Tally. We about to go to Mexico. This fool Albert getting ready, huh, Albert? I got some, since like I said, I do the red line racing stuff. I got some exclusive stickers for just me and the homies. For like our little red line racing crew. So Albert is gonna get the big stamp. Albert said he wanted like a big ass placazo on the side of his truck. Look, these are the decals I got for the full Albert.
Oh, my boy's about to steal from you. He has black Air Force Ones. You better be careful. Ahí está, dale.
They got his stamp on it. Shit hard, the holographic ones. This is just for members, just the homies. I'm gonna race my truck. Fuck that, I'm too slow. Too slow to compete with these fools.
I'm doing it because fuck it.
You gotta win everything you do.
I'm trying to win them all, baby.
How are you crazy, fool? You want motivation, bro.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Right there?
Yeah, I based it off the light, la línea de la luz.
Yeah.
Mira bien, güey. No, fool, but... Ah, creo que quedó bien, güey.
Bien chueca la
What? Are we done, bro? What was the other side easier? No, que se va a hacer más.
You know what? Fuck it, donde llegue, güey.
Ahí quedó. Ah, te quedó bien. Fool, that shit look hard, bro.
Oh, ya está el verga.
¿Está bien, eh?
Nada más que si es el sticker que está un poquito slanted.
Yeah, es que así va, güey. That's why it always looks tricky, even when I put it in the middle. On mine.
Fuck it, let's go now.
Go, stop.
Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Mexico. We're just getting here to the spot right now. I'm not gonna do none of this stuff because I mean that's just basically stock compared to these fools. You know, I can't compete with these people. I just get to watch, make a video out of it. My homie with the ESS truck and the other homie with the Whipples, they're gonna get active with their stuff. So I'm not really gonna do too much. What up, fool?
What's up, man?
Where do we even park at, bro?
Huh?
Where do we even park at? You can park right here, fool. I'm waiting on this fool Albert. I'm gonna see where this fool go park at.
Everybody's waiting for that fool Alberto to come.
Man, this truck's famous out here.
When I'm gonna go to the meet.
I bet, yeah, pull up, fool.
For sure.
Alright, bro.
Somebody, bro, he's like, hey, I want to run you. What the fuck?
Who?
Let me say hi.
They said they're waiting for you for a Tesla,
for
fool.
me. Why me?
Damn, they even got the prep out here, girl. Look. You ready, Taliban? I'll be waiting, bro.
Why me, bro? What the fuck? I'm scared. Ready? Oh shit.
Oh, you about to go, Albert? Hey, trucha on the light, fool.
Somebody hold this for me.
This fool we sleeps on the light. Hey, come on, Albert.
The famous Benito.
What's up, bro? Benito, nice to meet you. You already got some runs in your Mustang or what?
What's up, bro? Yeah, that was coming.
Well, I'm too slow to compete with you guys, bro. I just pull up to no support for Albert. Look, you guys are fast. I'm telling you, I got gap by one the other day.
Yeah.
Shit, quick, girl. Shit,
like, fuck.
Alright, so whoa, we got here. The second we got here, right? Second. We're not even 5 minutes here. We just did a U-turn to park. As soon as we're passing, we just hear people telling Albert that they've been waiting for that fool to run it with them. But this fool didn't even get a chance to say what's up to everybody before 2 trucks wanted to run it with that fool. So he raced the lining at first, he got him, and he raced another Whipple F150 and he got him too. But just fun runs. There was no money running, I think. But hey, this fool Albert, that was his first time doing a dig, and this shit took off. Shit took off hard as fuck. Yeah, we're still in Mexico, and it's going towards the way of the border, so I'm like, it's closer, you know, it's not as far away, so I'm like, fuck it, let's just go. Now I might probably just record 2 more runs. I'm probably gonna go home. I'm tired. Like I said, we're not used to this kind of life, shit. But gotta go see what's up. We're just recording rollers with the homies right now. The homie Dali and Alberto. I feel so slow, guys. Before I was signing these foods, when we were at Dali's house, getting the trucks ready. I used to be the fastest one in my friend group at one point. Then my homie with the Silverado got whippled. Then the homie Juan got full bolt tons, and he kind of be beating me some races. Then when we started kicking it with the full Albert, the full Dali, and I'm like, fuck, all these trucks are fast now. I'm telling my girlfriend, I'm like, I gotta boost my shit. I'll get there eventually. I'll be able to buy a house and boost my shit. We'll get there, but yeah, this shit, it's just sad, guys. I'm not even gonna race off fast guys out here. My shit's way no, fool, your shit's way louder, bro. No way, really? Oh God, your shit's way louder. No way about letting up. Oh shit.
That's a good ass race, bro. No way.
This is the best race on the vlog, fool.
Yeah.
I thought it was your race, fool, with the red. Oh shit.
Yeah, neck to neck, dog.
How do you like it?
Bro, he gapped this shit. Whoa.
Not bad.
Albert, bro. Get this shit from the vlog. Damn, bro, you got him by a good amount. I'd run it back. Yeah. Fucking hell, bro. Look at Dali. Are we running back again or what?
Fuck, $50 over here's that fucking fat buck on the fucking right side.
You've been on the run. Get Albert.
Who got that video?
I got both of them, fool. We all got that shit, bro.
Everybody got that shit on video.
What's the outcome, pa? What's the outcome? Oh, you're there. You're there fast, fool. I gotta hop on that shit, bro. What happened? Oh yeah, fool, I'm vlogging this bitch.
Make money and get famous.
What is that? S650 beating a Whipple?
Yep. Little stage
Stop.
Stock little stage 1 Is that the J, huh?
Yeah, this Jay was a scat pack.
That's why I lost, and I didn't do a burnout.
I told him if he makes the irresponsible financial decision to buy one, I'll buy one.
Slap, bro.
That's what he texted me.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. It's 1:51. This is the latest me and my girl have ever been out. Like I said, I'm not a late person at all. I'm fucking tired right now. I've been up since like 7 in the morning. So I was washing cars this morning. I washed 5 cars today. But we're already heading back. It's like an hour back home. We're going back to the border, obviously. Get back in the States. But yeah, so already on our way back. I'm gonna get my ass beat by my parents. I'm already calling her right now. But yeah, it was pretty good runs. I mean, the homie Albert, I think oh no, he lost the Whipple truck, but I feel like they gotta rerun it because on one of the runs, Albert slept on it. On the other run, the guy with the Whipple jumped. So now the Whipple truck's fast. Obviously, they're both fast. The homie Tali ran it with that Whipple truck too. The Whipple truck is the homie Angel. The homie Tali ran it with that truck too, and makes me wanna boast my shit, man. These people out here moving, but. Hope you guys like this type of video. I'm gonna see if I could do more like racing content like this. I feel like this is what's fun, you know, it's cool. But like I said, I'm never out late, and all these happen like fucking midnight, you know, and I'm never out this late. But I'm gonna try to push more of this type of content now that we got the homie Shug out here fast, and he wants all the smoke with everybody. He don't care. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna drop back home, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.